Alright, so this is going to be the walk snail patch antenna, and by theory, this is supposed to give you a little bit more penetration and range. So if you want to upgrade this, this is just going to be your short upgrade guide to show you how to do it step by step.
Before I begin, if you can, please help me like and subscribe, as this is going to keep my content flowing. Thank you.
So first of all, what you have to do is to remove the pads, and you are going to remove the 4 screws. No, you don't have to remove all the screws. I made a mistake. All you have to remove is these 4 screws that usually you can see that the holes are just right here. After these screws has been removed, you can take off the top plate, which is going to be pretty easy. Just slide it off. And next, you will be able to use a little plier to push out these little original pads that is just here. But also be warned that when you're doing this, you are also going to be losing the LED, because these are the LED strips. You are also required to remove the plugs from it, so you can take them off. So after you have removed everything from this, all you have to do is just bring out your patch antenna and start the installation. However, during the installation process, I found that it's just super hard for you to actually fit it in, because I don't know, the design, maybe there's a flaw or something. So end up I have to take off the 4 little feet down here, and I'll just completely cut it off with a plier and use little double-sided tapes. Yeah, so just kind of stick it in there, because no matter how hard I try, it just feels like it just never fits in. So yeah, something that you have to pay attention. I think this is something that walk snail needs to do a little bit better, because it's just impossible to fit everything in. Alright, next, once you have installed the patch antenna, next is going to be the easy part, just screwing the antenna. You're going to be unscrewing the bottom ones and then screw in the patch antenna to the bottom antenna adapters. At this point, you're nearly done. All you need to do is put back the top plate, put back all the screws, and then yep, you have a patch antenna installed.